In this video, we're demonstrating how to use your browser spell checker in order to fix spelling errors that may be in your LiveBinders, either in the text frame, the tab name, or the binder name. So I've spelled minutes incorrectly here, so I'm going to put the editor on in the binder by clicking the edit button up there. And we're going to fix the binder title, so you want to go to settings, and you need to put your cursor in there in order to activate the spell checker. And if it sees something spelled incorrectly, it'll underline it with a red squiggly line that you see there. You click it, right mouse click, and it'll give you options on to correct the spelling. If you don't see any squiggly line, that means your words have been spelled correctly. So now we fixed minutes there. And now we're going into the tab. Again, we need to click in there to activate the spell checker. It sees that it's spelled incorrectly with a red squiggly line, gives us a choice with the right mouse click, and we correct the spelling there. And next, going into the text frame, we need to activate the text frame. Click in it to activate the spell checker. It's underlined the misspelling for minutes, giving me options to correct it. And now we fixed it